Here we go again, guys. Yet another beauty box subscription. I have done several of these on this channel, but for you today, I have a selfie box. So what does the selfie box have in it that separates it from all these other beauty box subscriptions? Well, if you want to find out, keep watching.
What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a different beauty box for you guys. I saw Jean Louise unbox this one on her channel, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to give it a try. And that one is the selfie box. Now, I gotta say, I probably wouldn't have pronounced that right had I not seen her unbox this on her channel, so it's a good thing I watched it so I didn't make a total fool of myself and say their actual brand name incorrectly. Nonetheless, I'm really excited to see what I got in this box, so without further ado, we're going to jump into a quick description of the company, how you can get your own box, and then we're going to go ahead and see what's in my box. How many times can I say box in one intro? Let's do it now.
Okay, guys, so when you jump onto their website, it looks like this. You're going to want to click on that little subscribe button at the very top of the page there. Once you click the button, it takes you here, and this has a list of all the plans they have available for you. So you could pick a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, or 12-month plan. Now, if you pick one of the plans that are for a longer period of time, they give you a little bit of a discount. Now, let's get into how all this works. Okay, guys, this is very similar to all of the other beauty subscriptions that are out there, but here we go. So for step one, you're going to sign up to one of their monthly subscriptions that I talked about in the prior clip. Then for step two, you're going to get 4 to 5 full-size products from the hottest beauty and skincare brands worth at least $100 delivered right to your door every month. And then finally, you're going to feel the love. You're going to enjoy a unique selection of premium beauty, skincare, and other goodies. All of their brands promote your self-love, self-acceptance, and self-empowerment. They would hate to see you go, but you can cancel at any time. So that pretty much wraps up all that you need to do to sign up for this box. So let's jump into all of the goodies they sent to me.
Okay, guys, so here's the box. Yay! This is a fun box, right? Loving the pattern on the box and everything. And this is definitely a good sturdy box that I can reuse for something else. As I said in one of my previous videos, I'm definitely going to have DIYs for things that you can do with these boxes. So instead of throwing them away, maybe keep a few of them and see if you're going to be interested in doing any of the DIYs that I have coming up with these kinds of boxes. So, without further ado, let's jump into all the goodies they put inside this box. Okay, guys, so as soon as I open up the box, they do provide a card, which I love. And the card has a list of all the products they put on there, as well as how much they cost. Love when the companies do this. It also has a brief description of the benefits of each product. Pretty awesome, right? Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab the first item out of here. Boom, 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 boom. And it is this Earth Harbor Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. I'm not going to try to say that again, but that's what it is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just plop this bad boy open. Let's see here. What do we have going on? Okay, so here's the little jar. Super cute. Let's pop it open and get a smell. Of course, it's sealed really good, which is awesome. My gosh, I don't know if I got that everywhere or not. Sure felt like it. Okay, as soon as I open it, you get a strong smell. And I do mean strong. I don't even know what that smell is. It's kind of a combination of things, but it's definitely got a strong smell to it. I'm going to try to put it back on with that sealed thing and everything. Ooh, not doing a good job, but apparently has like a click thing, and if you go too far, it just keeps spinning. It's like a trick lid. Awesome. All right, so because this was the first one that I grabbed, I'm going to have to find it on here. What did I say? Oh, the eye cream. Here it is. So it's $34. I don't know if it's for that size. I'll find all of that out. But it says that it's formulated with a powerhouse of botanicals to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and sun damage under and around the eyes. I'm down. I struggle with all of those things, guys. I am so over it. So the result is a rested, more youthful glow. Okay, if this stuff works, like I say quite often, I will buy every single thing that they have because I'm showing most of my age under my eyes. So I'm trying all kinds of products, and that's the benefit of having these makeup subscriptions, is that I'm able to try these really expensive products to see what can possibly work to help me. I feel like with a lot of these products, everything is not going to work for everyone. So I think it just depends on your genetic makeup and your own personal skin, if this is going to work or not. But I'm going to give it a try. Let's jump into the next product. Okay, guys, so the next thing that was in my little box here is this thing. What is it? It's a Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. Gotta say, never used an eyeshadow primer before. Don't even know how I go about this whole situation. So let's pop this puppy open and see what it's all about. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So I guess I just squeezed some of this on my little eyes. It doesn't really have much of a smell at all to it. So let's find out what it says about it here. So it is $20. Don't know if it's for this size, but honestly, being that it goes on my eyes, I'm going to get a lot of use out of this particular size. Don't know how much it is. It's 10 grams, 0.35 ounces is what this one is. So it's a perfect partner to the beautiful eyeshadow kits in this month's box. Well, thanks for spoiling that for me. I haven't even got to the eyeshadow kit yet. Awesome. Okay, so this primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and go all night long without worrying. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I take mine off when I sleep, so I don't need to go all night long, but that's fine. It dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your shadow. Okay, it says it's weightless. Pearl powder to enhance eyeshadow color and balance skin tone. It's cruelty-free and paraben-free. All right. I'm down. I'm definitely going to give this a try because I do notice throughout the day that my eyeshadow starts to come off. I've never used a primer before, so why not give this guy a try? It's in the box. You got to try it. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, guys, the next thing in this box is this thing. What is it? Sculpt a Brow. Here we go. Yes, sculpt your brow with this. All right. I know these things. It says it's in a medium color. I don't know if it's the color that's showing me here. If it is, that's not going to work for me because clearly, as you guys can see, my eyebrows are black. Cream to powder brow color. I mean, I'll pop it open because I need to see what color. Oh, how does it work? Oh my gosh. What's the point of this? Oh, guys, I don't know what's happening. Oh no, I don't know. Okay, so am I supposed to dip this in here? Oh my gosh, this is hysterical. I have no idea. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that's what you do. It's black. Okay. Wow, I've never seen a contraption like this before. Oh, us people who are normal and don't use all this fancy stuff. Okay, so I'm down for sculpting my brow. Let's see here. It says it's 24 bucks. Probably for this size, I'm guessing. I don't know. It's a richly pigmented all-in-one brow enhancer that helps you sculpt fuller brows, which I desperately need. I have to sculpt my brows all the time, guys. So the cream to powder formula helps recreate the look of fuller brows by filling in sparse areas with rich pigments. Okay, the angled brush helps create hair-like definition for a natural look. All right. Well, we'll give it a go. It's in the right color. I was very concerned it was brown and I wouldn't be able to use it, but it's definitely black, so I can definitely give it a try and see how it goes. I'm trying all kinds of new brow sculpting things. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with that Milk Makeup Sculptor gel thing. Loving that. It literally cut the time that I'm doing my brows in half. We'll see if this guy is the same effect. If so, awesome. Maybe I'll keep buying this one. I don't know which one I like better because I haven't tried this one yet. Let's see what else is in this box. Hey there, Amber here, just popping into the video to say if you're enjoying this video, I have so many more like it and many more to come. So make sure you're subscribed, click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video and you won't miss all the super fun stuff I have going on here. Let's jump back into this haul. Okay guys, so the next thing they stuck in this box is that eyeshadow palette that they already told us about and totally spoiled all of the thunder. Nonetheless, here it is. Let's pop it open and see. Ooh, pretty. Wow. Wow. Oh, I should show it to you, right? We got a mirror here. I'll just kind of cover that up a little bit. But yeah, look at this, guys. Wow. That's a great palette. I'm loving the colors. Definitely can get used out of pretty much all of the colors that you see in this palette. I'm loving it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 15 eyeshadows in this palette. Pretty awesome. Let me put the little clearer thingamabobber back in. This is definitely one that I will use. So my niece isn't going to get this one. Let's see what they say about it here. It's $29. So it's 15 ultra pigmented shades that beautifully layer together for breathtaking eye looks. Yay! The revolutionary formula is smooth to the touch so that eyeshadow glides seamlessly on your lids while providing vivid color payoff with a silky soft feel. Okay, I'm down. I'm really excited to try that, guys. That's probably one of the favorite things in this little box so far. There's one more thing, and then we're going to close out the video. Okay, guys, so the last thing that was in my little selfie box here is this. Yes! It is a 15-minute Pamper Me Kit. Hello! I need more than 15 minutes of pampering, but I'll take what I can get. So I think this is really cool because it says it's an all-in-one kit. So it takes care of your hair, face, eye, hand, and foot. I'm down. Totally down. Okay, so I am going to open this up because this is for me. I definitely need pamper. All right. So as I pop this open, you get a 15-minute hair mask. So it's a damage repairing hair mask. So there's this. That's pretty cool. Not really sure because I'm feeling it here. I guess you just slap this puppy on your hair. So shampoo and towel dry the hair, and then you wear the hair cap and adjust the tape to secure. Gently massage your scalp. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and dry as usual. Totally down, guys. I'm really excited about this little kit. How fun is this? So then you have a 15-minute eye firming eye mask. Okie dokie. This is a 15-minute 15-minute collagen firming cleanser. Okay, so you get that guy. And then this is a tea tree soothing 15-minute sheet mask. It's for acne or any skin. Actually, it says for acne or any skin. Great. And this here is I can never say this right, hyaluronic acid moisturizing. So it's for dry skin. And then it also says for any skin. So, I mean, whatever. I don't know if you do all of these in one thing. What the heck? That's a lot of stuff. I mean, who's going to sit there for 15 minutes at a time? Surely it's for separate days, right? I don't know. So here's a hand mask. Okay, so it's a moisturizing hand mask. Oh, my hands need that so bad. Oh, they're so dry. Okay, and then we have a foot one, which is also another moisturizing type situation. All 15 minutes. Okie dokie then. I really love this little kit, guys. So let me go ahead and see what the cost of one of these little bad boys are. So it's $13. Very good. You would have thought it would be $15. Let's just keep it all the same. 15 minutes, $15, whatever. Okay, so we know getting to the spa is nearly impossible now, so we've brought the spa to you. Okie dokie. I've never been to a spa, guys. Just saying. Okay, this head-to-toe kit is an entire spa experience in a bag. This in-home spa kit includes a damage repairing hair mask, as I just showed you. I showed you all the stuff. So it's everything you need for some Sunday afternoon self-love. Well, I can only do it on Sunday? Oh, I was going to do it like on a Saturday, but it says here I have to do it on a Sunday. So I guess I'll have to rearrange my schedule. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so that was a really fun box. I mean, I really loved that box. That's probably one of my favorites so far. I really was sold on the whole 15-minute pamper kit, and I definitely am going to get some use out of the palette as well as the eyeshadow primer. There were quite a few things in this box that I'm definitely going to be able to use, so I'm looking forward to my next one. This was a great box. I'm really excited about that. So huge shout out to Jean Louise for this idea. If you guys haven't checked her channel out, make sure that you do that. I will link it in the description box below.
Hey guys, just popping into the video for those of you participating in my contest as I race to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month. What you need to do for today's video is let me know your thoughts about this box. Did you feel that it was a great box? Is it worth the $20 I spent on it? And then it's going to be $25 per month thereafter. Do you think that this box is worth it? And would you get it? That's all you got to do. Comment below and that will put you as a contender for my grand prize.
If you found this video helpful or useful in some way, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay, guys, so the next thing that was in the box. Try it again. John, that's on my video.